It is the snow ice day. I should have definitely done this throughout the day. And that's how many inches of snow we've gotten, plus ice on top of it. It's definitely not 20 inches, but it's more than one. Still got power, but my generator is right here, ready just in case we need it. I did put my tent on top to prevent it from like freezing. I know other people put a piece of plywood and I don't know what else, but it is now like accumulated some snow, sleet, ice, hail on top. So I need to go ahead and try to get some of that weight off of my tent because I don't want to lose my tent. I should have definitely done this throughout the day, but I did not. So here I am. One side down, 3 to go. And of course, it's pouring sleet now. It's not snow, it's definitely sleet. Ice, something.